How about combining the freshness of lavender in the form of an ice cream flavor? I recently experimented this combination of lavender with rich maple syrup, and the result, an absolutely heavenly flavor, lavender maple syrup ice cream. This recipe contains no eggs and it uses just a handful of ingredients. I've included a link to the recipe in the description below, so please make sure to check it out. Let's begin. Check out the recipe for instructions on how to use dried lavender instead of lavender extract. First, in a mixing bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and to that I'm adding in 3/4 cup maple syrup. I am giving it a good mix so that it gets incorporated well. Then I continue adding the rest of the heavy whipping cream. And then comes my half and half. This combination of half and half and heavy whipping cream gives me a nice, rich, creamy base. When using the lavender extract, one thing to keep in mind is a little goes a long way. Just 1 teaspoon should be enough to give you a nice floral flavor of lavender. In case you're not using an ice cream maker, feel free to churn it until your ice cream mixture becomes light and fluffy. I'm closing the lid and turning on my ice cream maker for about 30 minutes. After 20-25 minutes, check on the ice cream consistency. My ice cream mixture looks ready to be set in the refrigerator. So I turn off my ice cream maker and I'm transferring all the contents into a frozen container. I will store this container in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours for that nice creamy texture that I'm looking for. Once my ice cream is set, I can enjoy it by itself. Some of my favorite toppings are blueberry compote, toasted quinoa, or assorted nuts. And I can't wait to hear from you what your favorite topping is for lavender ice cream. Let me know how your ice cream turned out. Let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.